It's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Vista Academy of Visual and Performing Arts in Vista, California, home of the Bulldogs. And I'm standing outside in their parking lot, outside the main school campus. But today we had anti-bullying assembly focused on looking at someone's heart first. How you look at your best friend's heart, right? And our heart's as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, kindness, compassion, empathy fully enter into here, then we can turn that into this peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself. By how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love and kindness, but also too, because in just 2 seconds we can do or say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever, or conversely, we can say something so mean it stays on their heart in a very negative way for the rest of their life, right? And students really got that today. We built on my previous message when I was here last school year, talking about leadership, turning our passion into our purpose, and part of our passion is people and helping them. And you know, when we're trying to see people for who they truly are, look past skin color or how someone's born, what they might eat, the languages that they speak, their skin color. If we can get past all of those things, you know, that might separate us, and look at them as opportunities for us to be unified, come together, meet some amazing new friends potentially, then that's kind of how we have to have that angle of vision, right? And the students and staff today that were present in the PAC, they really did take it to heart. You know, a lot of them came up to me after, said what I shared with them really inspired them. Some of them have dealt with some loss in their life. But we know that family's not just blood, it's people that care for them, love them, and see them as this too. We talk about this in all my assemblies, but I brought up the fact that we're all miracles. We all have the letter M etched on our palms with the lines of our hand. I trace one of mine here. I have at least one in each hand, and like my shirt says, miracle. That M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we're beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. And no matter what we've gone through, will go through, or have been through, you know, basically we're gonna understand that yes, you know, this hurt can pass, that sometimes storms have to happen for the rainbows to appear, right? And if we can really understand that, comprehend that fact, and look to these better, brighter days, literally and figuratively, in our hearts, and the weather as well, here in sunny California, then we know that we can really get past anything. And yes, it's true, hurt people. Sometimes those hurt people are ourselves, but healed people heal people. And that's a huge life lesson to grasp at such a young age, and to know that we're planting those seeds with our youth, our future generation. I know it's in good hands, you know, and that's what's so, you know, encouraging for me when I do these programs, is so many of the students came up to me and said, Mr. Peace, you just touched my heart. And I only had 30 minutes with them today. So it's like, okay, if I can touch your heart in that short time, you know, think about the difference you can make over an entire school year, right? Over an entire lifetime. If you keep your hearts open to that love and to that kindness, right? It's so, so important. And they got that. So thank you for touching my heart. I still have 2 more visits this school year with all of you. So I'm looking forward to continuing to build on what we've already discussed and take it up to the next level and the next level. But until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, or watching this video to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.